I wonder how they do this. Let's look at it. Wow, so cool. This is insanely beautiful. How do you guys like it? Let's go. Insane power. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me right inside the Lamborghini Revuelto. Alright, I mean, you've seen quite a lot of videos of the Revuelto, but have you seen this? This, ladies and gentlemen, is not a regular Lamborghini Revuelto. This is a Lamborghini Revuelto finished in Oro Alba. The exterior paint is a paint job. It's super special, and I mean, you cannot even identify the actual color of the car. It's a golden tone where whenever you lift the door you can see it looks like a bit of pink, right? Let me just put it down for you. Watch it now, as it turns out to be fully golden, yellow, reddish, pinkish, greenish. As soon as we move around we get so many cool color tones. This is by far one of the coolest Lamborghini specs I've ever seen in my entire life. In today's video we will be taking it out for a drive. The engine is already warming up. This is how the car looks like. We have an advanced exterior package of all the carbon fiber parts, where you get a full carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber cover of the engine bay, and then a carbon fiber rear spoiler with the diffuser. This is insanely beautiful. How do you guys like it? I mean, in today's video we will be driving it, but I just want to give you a tour again and again, as I cannot get enough of the exterior paint of this. Well, this is absolutely fascinating. I wonder how they do this. Let's look at it. Wow, so cool. This is the engine bay. The engine produces less than 1,000 horsepower, and then in addition to the hybrid power that we get here, we have a total output of 1,015 horsepower. Insane. We will be driving it today, so let's jump in and let's start today's drive inside the Lamborghini Revuelto. Closing the door. Here we go. As soon as I closed the door, I mean, the car is set in Città. The engine was running warm. Now, whenever you want to start, you can just drive in full electric mode. This is absolutely fascinating. I love this. I mean, if you have neighbors and they don't like your car or the noise that your car makes, this is absolutely perfect. You can just roll in style, and then whenever you leave the main roads or your house, you can just turn on the V12 with just a touch of a button. Okay, let's talk. Putting on seatbelts. For this here, I want to get some vehicle data. Let's go with the dynamics, right? LDVI. So that's it. Let's get on and let's start today's drive. Just putting in reverse. The reverse is always electric. So even if you set the car in Corsa, whenever you reverse, there's no sound at all. I mean, this is just the engine running warm. Here we go. And now you hear the engine revving. One second, let me just put a lift up, just to be careful with these roads. The lift is so simple and so easy to use. Even when you're driving, you can just lift the car up by, I think, 4 or 5 centimeters, and this gives you quite a lot of space to drive wherever you want. In the more rural areas, as we are right now, is a total and absolute benefit. Let's go. Making our way towards the German Autobahn. So let's do this. Here we go. Making our way towards the entrance of the Autobahn, which will be unlimited. The car is set in Strada. Let's switch it to Sport for now. downshift. This thing is quick. Insanely powerful. Insanely powerful. Oi, oi, oi. Nice downshift. Okay, are you guys ready? Downshift. Let's go. Insane power. That's about it for today's video. How do you guys like the Lamborghini Revuelto finished in Oro Alba? Thanks so much for Lamborghini for letting us drive this beauty. Ay, ay, ay. This is a dream coming true. Insane. What do you guys think?